Here's the problem. The money is drying up from advertisers. They are getting more strict with their return on investment requirements. This is a coordinated hit targeting content creators on purpose. It's about getting people back to regular jobs under the thumb of corporate control and terrible wages versus independent financial freedom. The pressure is coming from corporations trying to avoid a commercial real estate market crash because of remote and gig economy workers in general not filling up office space. Pay attention to the timing of this as we are approaching the fiscal fourth quarter. This was just a flick of a switch using artificial intelligence software to scan channels. The name of the game is diversify your income. Continue watching this video to explore different financial options. Subscribe to this channel to take back control of your freedom and income as a content creator.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to live off a Forex account with only 10K in it. You're only going to need 3 components. First thing you're going to need is a Cash App wallet. It can be any cryptocurrency wallet, but Cash App's convenient. You can install on your phone, have it all the time. Next thing you'll need is a Forex account. And then last is your MT4 interface. Let's go back and talk about the Cash App wallet. You're going to use this to buy Bitcoin. Once you buy the Bitcoin, you're going to deposit the Bitcoin into your Forex account. And then after that, you're going to use your MT4 interface MetaTrader to make the trades. Let's talk about the Cash App wallet again. Show you what it looks like on the screen. Here's a screenshot of a Cash App wallet. You got your Bitcoin. You're going to use this buy button right here to buy the Bitcoin. You're going to hit the paper airplane to transfer the Bitcoin into your Forex account. After you transfer the Bitcoin into your Forex account, you're going to hit the deposit button here. You're going to use Confirmo. I don't use these other ones. This is for like cryptocurrency exchanges, Binance, Coinbase, etc. This is for using it, old school way of bank wire, Visa, MasterCard transfer. I use Confirmo. Click Confirmo. Type in the amount. Then I hit deposit. After you hit deposit, you're going to pay with Bitcoin. So I hit this button. Then it's going to give you a Bitcoin address. Copy it to your clipboard. After you copy it to your clipboard, you're going to paste it here. It's kind of like sending an email. And this is in the to address. You can add a note. And then you're going to send it off. So once you send it off, now you're just waiting for it to fund your account. And it's basically, has to do its thing. Get on the blockchain, get validated. That can take anywhere from an hour to several hours. But I will tell you, no matter how long it takes, it's still a lot faster doing it that way than trying to do it through a cryptocurrency exchange like Binance or Coinbase, or trying to do it old school with your bank wire transfer or debit card. Once it's in there, then you're going to do an internal transfer into your MT4 MetaTrader accounts. So you're going to hit internal transfer, hit wallet, drop down to your trading account, put in your account number in the drop down menu. And you're going to type in the amount, and then you're going to hit transfer. Now we're going to talk about the MT4 portion of it. Now you can use any MT4 interface account, but they have a built-in one here. You hit download, and you pick whatever OS you're on, Windows, Android, Apple, and then you pull it up, and then you can start trading from there. This is exactly what the MetaTrader window interface looks like for MT4. So think of what is an actual MT4. Basically, if you have a Forex account, let's say you've tried, there's multiple accounts out there. You have Forex.com, you have Thinkorswim, you have FXCM, and a few other ones. After a while, you don't want to waste your time with the learning curve of using, trying to figure out how does this new account interface work if you switch your Forex brokerage. So MT4 is designed to be the faceplate to alleviate, that stress and learning curve. So I can change my Forex brokerage account, 100 times, as long as I can plug it in. This is what I've already gotten used to how this works, so I don't have to learn anything new. Think of it like a browser, right? So if you're so used to using Google Chrome, and then you have these other ones, Brave and DuckDuckGo and Microsoft Edge, and you really don't want to learn them, just imagine if you can put this as the front faceplate interface on there, and then on the back end it can be whatever browser you want, but you're always using Google Chrome because that's what you're used to navigating with. So next is the obvious question: how can you live off a $10,000 account in Forex, trading Forex? And the answer is right here: your leverage. So in America, we have what they call a max of 50 to 1. All the accounts are like that. Overseas accounts are 500 to 1. I've seen them as high as 1,000 to 1 leverage. And what that means is if I deposit $1,000 in the 500 to 1 ratio, I can make a $10 trade off of that account. That's totally impossible to do if you have a 50 to 1 account. You'll blow your account out. And that also means, so if I have $10,000, I can make $100 per pip trade. 100 times 10 is $1,000. You do that once a week, that's $5,000 a month. Sure, you can put more in. Maybe some of you have more expenses than $5,000 a month. I just put that as a nice, realistic number. So you put whatever what's comfortable that it's going to make you have a decent living. But a more practical trading profit return, like I said, with conservative trades, $100 trade, I only need 10 points. It's $1,000. But you can do fine with doing $10 trades. Maybe you don't need to live off it. You just want to make it as supplemental income either way. So that's how that works. So this concludes the video. If you want to learn how to trade with my particular technique and strategy, just go to my website. It's strippingmarkets.com. We have a little fun there with the videos for entertainment. But also, if you're trying to find a Forex account with 500 to 1 leverage, just click the link in the description, and it'll take you straight there.